Hello, everybody. Welcome to your own channel where we focus on one thing, that is success. This side, Amit Saraf, motivational speaker, mentor, coach, and author. So, today I'm going to give you some very important tips and tricks why we are failing and how we can get success. सबसे पहले इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए, जब आप सुबह उठते हैं, डू यू फील एनर्जेटिक, एक्साइटेड, or you feel drowsy, not willing to do? If your answer is toward the second category, then this is the right time you have hit this button. You are watching this video and this is going to change your life. Because there are several factors which maybe consciously and unconsciously you're not taking care of. And that's why you are always failing. Aj, many people make goals. हम गोल सेटिंग करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं? जी सर, करते हैं. एंड अगर आप YouTube पे जाएं, देयर आर थाउजेंड ऑफ वीडियोस सेइंग हाउ टू सेट अप गोल्स. दैट इज SMART. स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल, अटेनेबल, रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड एंड टाइम बाउंड. एंड बट ये करने के बाद भी व्हाई आर वी फेलिंग? सो हियर सम ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई डू वी फेल एंड व्हाट वी शुड डू. आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Once you have set the goals, the very first thing you are going to do after this is get the objective, or get why you are doing this, why you have set those goals. Suppose I say I want to earn 10 lakh rupees, and the question is like why, what will happen if I get this? If you don't have this why, you will just have goals, no motivation for it. Many people say, no sir, I'm not feeling motivated, and the only answer is they don't have a good why. So find out what is the why. It may not come in a day, एक दिन में नहीं आएगा, but eventually keep on, every day keep on finding why and keep on asking yourself, why I just want to accomplish this, why I need this. And when you get a strong why, that strong why will act as a fuel, it will act as a, like a push to get you feel motivated, energetic, and that will always keep you enlightened. Second is go for backward engineering. Now, what is this backward engineering? When you have thought of goals, suppose you thought कि I want 98% in my exam. So what you will be doing just before 1 month? Will you be playing with your friends? Enjoying movies? No. So when you come up with the backward engineering, you will find before 30 days, you will be revising all your chapters. Before that 30 days, you will be just working out with your notes, specific chapters or your best part, easy part and medium parts where you will be focusing. Before 2 months of it, you will be planning, okay, I'm going to take these chapters, मैं इस chapters पे काम करूँगा, मैं इसे prepare करूँगा. And what will happen? This will give you a clarity कि हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट. एंड यहाँ पे एक बड़ा फैक्टर भी क्या रहता है, जब आप इमेजिन करते हैं 98% ना, एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग बैकवर्ड विजुअलाइजेशन, बैकवर्ड इंजीनियरिंग, इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू अ विजुअलाइजेशन. व्हाट हैपेंस विद विजुअलाइजेशन, यू फील एम्पावर्ड. जब आप विजुअलाइजेशन करते हैं उस चीज़ का ना, द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स कम एंड यू फील मोर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. मतलब अब नेगेटिव का स्पेस नहीं है वहाँ पे. यू फील पॉजिटिव एंड यू फोकस टुवर्ड्स योर डेस्टिनेशन नाउ. So start doing backward engineering, and if you come back then, maybe this video we are discussing right now. So slowly what happens when you plan, always come from the back. Anything you have, कोई भी आपका काम है, आप हमेशा उसे backward engineering कीजिए. Once you are done with the backward engineering, then go for planning. Now you already have your goals. Now you already have a strong reason why. Next you already have your backward engineering. Now plan out. Now plan out means go for first. Now your 98% is all set. Now start with your monthly goals, quarterly goals, half yearly goals, then come down to monthly, weekly, 3 days goals, 1 day goal and 1 quarter goal. So what will happen with this? You will be all set. Okay, this I have broken this main goal into my subcategories. Now I'm crossing it into small heads. So what will happen when you achieve each head of it, you will feel good. There will be some reactions taking place in your body, in your mind, which will be giving you more optimistic and positive energy, right? Then the last part that you will be doing after this planning is massive action. And if you ask me, आपके जितना मैंने आपको बताया अभी तक वो आपका 50% काम करता है और नेक्स्ट 50% है मैसिव एक्शन. वंस यू हैव डिटरमाइंड कि मुझे ये करना है, आपको अच्छा लगे या ना लगे, आपके फॉर में हो या अगेंस्ट में हो, यू हैव टू डू इट बिकॉज यू हैव थॉट ऑफ डूइंग इट in order to reach your goals. You have to take massive actions and you have to give your not just one, twice, but your 10x, because it's only the massive action which is going to drive you and make you more clear with your that goal or your purpose, what you have thought it in your mind. Goal कुछ भी हो सकता है, but always focus the backward engineering, the very strong why, the best planning of it, and the last part, massive action. Take this, do it, and you will see there is a different fire in you which is driving you for a lot of success. Keep driving, keep winning, and I'm pretty sure you are already on the path of success. Thank you.